Jai Hind student. Today we are going to discuss the another chapter, that is consumer equilibrium. In this chapter we try to understand how does consumer maximize his satisfaction from the consumption of goods. As the resources are limited in relation to unlimited want, a consumer has to follow some principle and law in order to attain the highest satisfaction level. First, what do you mean by the consumer equilibrium? Consumer equilibrium refers to that situation in which he maximizes his satisfaction by spending his given income on different goods and services with a given set of price. It means that it is a situation or point where consumer secure maximum satisfaction with minimum budget, also known as point of balance. Now we discuss what is utility. What do you mean by utility? We know that consumer derive from some sort of satisfaction from consuming a commodity. This is a power of satisfaction of commodity is termed as utility. Utility is the want satisfying power of the community. Now question is, how is utility measured and what is the unit of measurement for utility? Utils can be taken as the unit of measurement for utility. On the other hand, some say that utility can be directly expressed in the term of money. There are two main form of utility, that is marginal utility and total utility. Now what is marginal utility? It is the additional utility which can be derived by consuming one more unit, or change in total utility with respect to per unit of consumption. To find out the marginal utility, here is the formula. Marginal utility is equal to total utility minus total utility minus 1, or another formula, marginal utility is equal to change in total utility divided by the change in unit of commodity. In simple term, we can say that marginal utility of commodity is the change in total utility which result from the unit increase in consumption. The increment of to total utility is called marginal utility. Suppose the total utility from consumption of 3 unit of commodity is equal to 20 utils, and from the 4 unit we get 25 utils as a total utility. Then the marginal utility is equal to 5 utils is 25 minus 20. Now total utility. It is the sum of all the utility which is derived by the consuming all the unit of commodity. The formula for the total utility is equal to summation of marginal utility. In another word, we can say that total utility is defined as a psychological satisfaction a consumer obtains from consuming a given amount of particular goods. Suppose marginal utility of 3 unit of commodity are 6, 4, 2 utils respectively. Hence, total utility will be equal to 12 utils, that is 6 plus 4 plus 2. Here we can see with the help of schedule. Unit of commodity is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and total utility in utils is 8, 14, 18, 20, 20 and 17. Then marginal utility for unit 1 is 8, unit 2 is 14 minus 8, that is 14 minus 8, that is 6. For the unit number 3, 18 minus 14, that is 4. For unit number 4, that is 20 minus 18, 2. So here we can say that how we find out marginal utility and total utility. In this schedule, total utility are found by adding up marginal utility. Thank you.